Okay guys, let's walk from the Wynn and see what we see.
Walk in and the shades open. Oh, this is nice.
So technically we started across the road from the Encore. The Wynn started as just the Wynn, and then after it was successful for a while, they built a second tower called the Encore. And that's this tower that's nearest to us right now. They look very similar, but they're slightly different inside, but just very slightly. The Wynn is probably, in my opinion, the fanciest hotel on the Strip. If you are choosing between, like, I say that, but like, I would also probably rather stay at the Venetian and the Palazzo, because every room at the Venetian and the Palazzo is a suite. So it's like a very big room, but it has 2 levels, so you take like steps down into a living room inside each room in the Venetian and the Palazzo's suites. So I would stay there over the Wynn, but either one's super fancy. You won't be disappointed if you stay at either one. It smells like honeysuckle right now. I'm pretty sure it's what they planted here, or it could be the perfume. I think it's real, but that could just be my wishful thinking that, you know, it's real fragrance, not a perfume, but. And then behind this wall is a pool and a beach club. That's what they call it, like a nighttime club, but it's a daytime club. It's a Sunday night in early 2025, but this area is never really going to be that busy, so it's a little sleepy right now, but this is probably what you should expect if you come here most of the time, about this level of people walking around. And then these are some fancy shops at the Encore. The architecture at the Wynn is very rounded and ornate, like these awning thingamajigs here. You know, the Strip has all different price points for all different levels of tourists. But what you think might be the most expensive might not necessarily be the most expensive. So the best plan is just to come here and check it all out, or watch lots of these videos and get a gauge for what it is that you want to see in person. And then behind these trees there is the Lake of Dreams, which is a very fancy sort of show you can watch from dusk every half hour. They put on like a little show. You can either sit at one of the restaurants that surrounds the lake, or you can sit at a bar down near the lake. It's pretty interesting, and it's free. You know, you just purchase a drink. Or there's an observation area from the second floor if you want to just check it out without even buying a drink. There used to be a cafe that was next to a waterfall in here, but they replaced it with like a clothing store, so. And this big UFO disc looking thing is just art. There's no functional purpose to it. And that's at the Fashion Show Mall. So they used to actually do fashion shows on a regular schedule down the middle of the mall, but I don't think it's come back since 2020. So maybe, fingers crossed. You never know. And this sign used to be my favorite sign in Las Vegas, because it was the physical part down at the bottom that says Wynn interacted with the stuff on the LED screen. So the Wynn area at the bottom would move up and down the whole length of the sign, the height of the sign, and like little characters would come on and like pull the sign up, and it would go up, and then it would push it down, and it would go down. But it broke, and it hasn't worked for a while now. So now it's permanently just at the bottom position. Which is a shame, because I think it's a really interesting feature. So we'll head a little bit towards the interior walkway of the Wynn, instead of walking just directly along the strip. Check out this waterfall that is here. I like the depth of looking back through there. Plus, it's very cool right here. The water's making for a nice, moist breeze in the otherwise very hot and dry Las Vegas. Okay, I think that pretty much be a good stopping point. If you like the video, go ahead and give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, it'd be great if you did. And as always, I'll be back before long. This was the Wynn and Encore in the Las Vegas Strip in Nevada. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.